beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. If you're new to my channel, let me be the first to welcome you here. Hello, my name is Kat, and I make planning and calm living lifestyle content here on this channel. If you're looking to reduce the stress in your life, get back to simple, basic, easy ways of planning your way to calm, then this is a channel for you. I'm currently on a road to 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it, 10,000, and I couldn't do that without any of you folks. So thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed, who have liked, commented, and continue to tune in every week for new videos. I thank you so much, and your love and support means so much. If you're watching, you're not subscribed just yet, I would love for you to be a part of the Calm fam and help me to get to 10K. I'm hoping to reach 10K by the end of the summer. It would mean so much to me, and your love and support would also mean so much. Now, in this video, I thought I would share with you an overview and a recap of my One Book July. Now, for the whole month of July, I've been using basically one planner, and that is the Sterling Ink Common Planner. And for those of you who are new to my channel or you may not be familiar, One Book July is a month-long planner challenge that challenges you to use one book, one pen, and one planning method to plan your way throughout the month. And so I did it last year. I thought I would do it again this year. So I will pop up the videos that I showcased in the past on One Book July. And I'm also going to take you through this year's One Book July. So the month of July started off just very calmly, very fun. I am a teacher full-time in addition to other hats that I wear. And so the month of July is my month off. And so I really wanted to make sure that I took the time to really rest and relax and, just spend some time doing the things I love. And one of them has been, like I mentioned before on most of my videos this month, I've been spending a lot of time in my Kindle, and I've been reading like the avid bookworm that I am. Comment down below if you're into reading and what your favorite book of the moment is. I'd love to know if you care to share. But I've just been having such a wonderful time, and sprinkled in with all the reading, I also have been just, doing the things that I love to do and spending time with Mr. Calm, who's my husband, and just spending time with family and just getting things done around the house. I'm in the process of doing a decluttering series, so stay tuned to that on the channel if you're interested in that. But here is the monthly view for the month of July. And yeah, there's, lots of things that went down. I've been researching various diets to help me. I had some goals for myself and what I want to accomplish. And yeah, it was really good. Now, when it came to the daily chronicling of the days of the month in July, this is where I did it here. And so in this particular planner, there's actually monthly, weekly, and daily parts where you can customize it, which is one of the reasons why I love the Common Planner Hobonichi style type planners. And this one here is fantastic. And so I have my first page of One Book July, in which I kind of just explain the purpose of it, why I do it, and why it was created and so on. And then I have just a couple just introductory things. Then the first of the month, that's in Canada, because I'm Canadian. We celebrate Canada Day, so it's typically, just very low key. Sometimes there's celebrations in the city that we can attend to, and, fireworks and barbecues, family time, etc., etc. So I had a chance to partake in that. So the way I set up, there's no rhyme or reason, really. I just tried to make sure I highlighted the things that were most important to me. And so if you see here on July 2nd, I have my time with God, and that is where I dedicate each day or time each day in the Word. So reading a Bible verse, praying, whatever the case is. And so I always capture my Bible verse here that I pray on. And then there is usually a to-do section here. Sometimes I'll have a grocery list or an event. Like here, we did a family budget breakdown that day. The beautiful thing about One Book July is that you can do it how you want and, kind of plan how you want, as long as you're capturing something that's happening each day. And so July 3rd, we had a family barbecue, a family dinner, a to-do list, getting ready for that family dinner, and then my time with God and my Bible verse here, and then my gratitude. And something I like to add in with my daily chronicling of things is a gratitude section. I also have a gratitude journal that I also chronicle my gratitudes in, but sometimes I like to just kind of plop it into my everyday carry just to help keep me on track with being grateful for things that God has provided for me. And then July 4th and the 5th was a kind of an away time. Mr. Calm was quite busy with that, and I was busy as well, just trying to get things coordinated and together. And so because that was the main section of what was taking place, I just put my time with God and my to-dos and my gratitudes just off to the side so that this can have the main focus and be the main focus, which was okay. And I just was able to chronicle the things that I had to do, and it was great. It worked out great. And then now we're at July 6th. And if you notice too, I also placed the day of the week underneath the date. And I found that was helpful for, trying to remember, okay, what day am I on? Because sometimes with the summer, time just goes out the window when you are having fun, as they say. And so again, I chronicled those things. I added some stickers just to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit. And I was never bored. It was so much fun just being able to chronicle things, not worrying about what planner I should use and, the stickers and this and that. It was just very basic. I did a lot of I used a lot of my Planner Kate stickers. I need to restock because I'm running out, but it's okay. I'm using up all my stickers first before I buy new ones. So this gave me an opportunity just to kind of use up the things that I love instead of hoarding them. Comment down below if you do the same. I don't know why I do that, but anyway, and I also use some more of my other stickers for the planner. I didn't go sticker heavy or sticker crazy by any means, but it was nice sprinkling stickers throughout the planner. And sometimes I used stickers and sometimes I didn't. It just depended on how I felt. And so again, that same format, and it just worked. It really worked, and it took the guesswork out of making things complicated. Now, I get sometimes people see Stupid Store and my planner either on Instagram or TikTok or here on YouTube, and they're like, good gosh, I could not go. One of my beloved subbies was like, well, if it's a Stupid Store, I don't want to go there. Or what do you buy at a Stupid Store? Now, Stupid Store is a term of endearment that a lot of Canadians use to describe a supermarket chain. I won't mention the actual name, but if you're Canadian, I'm guessing you can put it together. But it's a grocery store chain that we go to. And the reason why we say Stupid Store is because it is so large that when you go there, you feel stupid because just the way it's set up, things are always on the opposite end of the store, and you kind of feel stupid when you go there because you're running all over the place. So I actually coined Stupid Store for that reason. But sometimes Mr. Calm and I have to pop in there to get some things that we need, etc. So that's the story on that. But as you can see, I had such a good time. I even captured my readings in here, making sure that I, was tracking that, some of the movies that I watched. It has been such a wonderful month. I even captured some of the days when we had just amazing weather. This day I was grateful for this beautiful summer weather. It was such a gorgeous day that day. And we had basketball camp, Mr. Calm and I, and that's something that we volunteer for, him more so than me. And I just try to help out where I can. But it was fun. And we put the to-dos there. I used some of my stickers to denote the basketball theme. And yeah, it was so fun. It was so fun. And I also tracked my Kindle. I did a lot of reading. And I love the fact that I used my stickers for that reading purpose. But yeah, lots of fun this month. It was lots of time for rest and relaxation. I love the fact that it was a nice balance of both. And it was a great month and a perfect time to do One Book July. And so we're coming towards the end of the month here. And yeah, I just been really enjoying this time, this month. Now, the pain, yeah, that's part of my reality, which is why I'm trying to heal my body. A lot of endometriosis and things like that. Comment down below if you or a woman you know suffers from those type of things, because it is not fun. It is not fun. Anyway, moving on. I was kind of down and out for a variety of reasons, mainly a monthly occurrence. And that kind of took me out of the planning game. And I love that the Coffee Monsters Co. makes a sticker like no time to write. Just not in the mood to write. I was not feeling it. And that's okay. One of the things about planning is, again, stuff happens, life happens. And sometimes you're not able to write it down or do the things or whatever. And that's okay. I give myself the grace. And then, you know, when I was feeling a little bit better, I was able to kind of go back in, get back on the grind again, recording my Kindle dating, my dates with my Kindle, because I tell you, I've been in this thing, been loving it. It's just been so much fun. And then the last few days the last couple days in One Book July has been great. I had a dentist cleaning and dentist appointment the second last day, and then this last page I used to just really chronicle the experience and use it as a reflection, and just basically saying participating in the One Book July challenge was a refreshing experience for me this year, and that, you know, focusing on one planner allowed me to kind of slow down, reset, and reconnect with the things that truly are important to me. Spending time with Mr. Calm and my family, and, you know, reading and spending time in the Word and spending time with God just was a real great thing for me to do, because a lot of my life is just hustle, bustle, go, a lot on the go, and I don't make time for things that fill me up and are important to me. And this experience has taught me, like, the key takeaways I received from this experience was just realizing that less is more. I don't have to be busy all the time. I don't have to be go all the time. I can just do more with less. And even in the planner, I don't have to have 5 planners on the go. I can have the one planner and just be okay with it. I like having multiple planners, don't get me wrong, but, you know, I can be perfectly content if I was just like a regular person to have one planner and be okay with that. And, you know, just using one system throughout the month allowed me to build consistency, because, you know, when you are using one planner or just a few planners, you're able to stay consistent, just the nature of planning, right? You're not overwhelmed by multiple things. It's just easier for you. And, you know, it was just doing this just allowed me to really reconnect with my body and my mind and my soul and my spirit. I'm chronicling different things. I'm being mindful of, you know, the gratitudes that I have and things I need to be grateful for in my life. I'm connecting more with the Word of God because I'm consciously writing it in every day, and I'm talking about it, and I'm being reminded of it, and just like the beautiful things that are going on in my life right now. Just doing this simple activity has really allowed me to just be grateful and to be present in my life, and to really take the time to give God thanks and to glorify Him just for all the things that I have and the comforts that, you know, I can enjoy. And also, mainly for you folks, you know, YouTube has been such a blessing to me this year, since I've been on it, I think, I couldn't even tell you. But since I've been on here, this community has been such a blessing. I just want to thank you folks for tuning in and being a part of this journey. One day I hope to be able to do this full time where I don't have to have, like another job where I can just do this full time. And I still hold on to that dream. And I know that dream can't materialize without you watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and doing all the things. So I thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this video until the end, please give the thumbs up emoji. That lets me know that you are watching the content all the way through and that you're enjoying it. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of the Calm fam today. And comment down below and let me know how you're doing this summer. I would love to know if you care to share in the comments down below. And until next time, my friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby,